Are you wondering for free best recording software to record your stunning gameplays and presentations with high quality footage and of course without limitations and no watermark? I hope you will find the best screen recording software for you. Before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Let's get started. OBS Studio Open Broadcaster Software. It's available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux. It is free open source software for recording and live streaming. Download and start streaming quickly and easily on Windows or Mac. You can live stream on YouTube, Twitch, Facebook and every social media platform. It has the following features. Using OBS, you can stream professionally. You can change the scenes, change sources, add images, browser, video capture videos, color source, mix your audio, scene transitions. You can stream your gameplays. You can add stream elements to your stream. It has studio mode and many more. You can fully customize your output of recording settings according to your PC using the setting of OBS Studio. Flashback. Easy to use screen record, powerful editor. Capture your screen to record short clips and make engaging video tutorials with Flashback audio suite. You can try it for free. Flashback Express has the following features. The free screen recorder with advanced features. You can capture anywhere on your PC screen. Add a webcam overlay to your screen recording. Use your microphone to add narrations as you record. Capture your computer's audio. Record with no watermarks. Save as MP4 and quick upload to YouTube. Screen recorder is for everyone. It has two versions, free and Pro version. Flashback Express is for free users and Flashback Pro is for paid users. It is only available for Windows. You can download it from here and your downloading will be started. FBX. Record and live stream with FBX game recorder. It's free. This screen recording software is for everyone. Even if you have low specs PC, you can record your gameplay without any jerks. It's high performing HD recording, smooth and easy streaming. Save your highlights as you play. Lag free recording. It provides you smooth streaming. Go live fast with rapid streaming setup. FBX adjusts to your bandwidth, eliminating jerky streams. Save streams to your hard disk. This is amazing feature. Record your clips and highlights. Make unique videos with FBX Awesome Editor. You can edit your videos and add gifs and stickers to it, captions and effects. It's easy to make eye-catching gaming videos with FBX Game Recorder. It is built to handle all major game titles and give outstanding performance even on older, low-specs PC. Download FBX HD recording, smooth live streaming, make video clips of the best actions. It is available for only Windows for 32-bit OS and 64-bit. You can download it by clicking on free download button. Your downloading will be started.